Begin by searching for students by name using the search option on the dashboard. Enter the student's name, and all students with that name will be displayed. You can further refine your search using filters if necessary. Once you locate the student, click on their name to access their profile page. Since the student isn't yet enrolled in your school, you won't see the student's data, but you will see the request option. Click on the request option to proceed. If the student is eligible for transfer, it will be indicated. Write your message and send the request. The student's current school will receive the transfer request and decide whether to accept or decline it. It's crucial to instruct the student's parent to inform the school of their intention to transfer. If the student is eligible, the current school must accept the request. Failure to do so may lead to legal implications. To track your request status, click on the notification link. Any recent activities on your sent request will be visible there. Click on the message to be directed to the request page. If it's not in your notifications, access the request page from the side menu. Head to the Sent Request tab on the request page to check if your request has been accepted or rejected. Once the transfer request is accepted by the current school, the student will appear in the unenrolled class section on your classroom page. To ensure the student's image remains current, please upload a new profile picture. Enroll the student in a classroom. Choose the month and year of resumption, then mark the student is currently enrolled in your school box. After that, submit the form and your task is complete.